Good evening friends, today we'll be doing mini loop band exercises for lower body. Mini loop bands, you get it in many different sizes and of different resistance. So today we'll be using level 2 since I only have this band with me. So let's begin with this exercise for today.
Go.
Our first exercise for the day is called squats. So for beginning with squats, we are just standing with a normal stance, hands over your hips, or people if you're comfortable you can keep your hands raised in front of your eyes. I just want you to extend one leg sideways till the time you don't get your shoulder width apart stance. So what you'll be doing is just stretch one leg sideways, go all the way down, come back to start position. Continue in one motion. Keep your tempo very normal till the time you don't complete 12 repetitions for 3 sets. We'll be doing 12 reps for each exercises I'll be demonstrating today. So as you are seeing, I'm extending my one leg sideways where the band stretches and you're able to hold that position of a squat and come back. 12 repetitions, 3 sets. Now we'll be doing little explosive squats where we'll be jumping and getting into a squat position. So I want you to jump sideways, go down, go down. As you see, I'm hopping and stretching the band as well. Go all the way down. 12 repetitions, 3 sets. Our next exercise to follow is squats with hip external rotation. So you're standing with a normal shoulder width apart stance, toes pointing straight. Go down in a squat position, externally rotate your hip outwards, come back to a starting position. Go down, rotate outwards. But while performing this exercise, make sure your toe and your heels are exactly planted on the floor. You're not moving them or not lifting them off the floor. Go down, externally rotate your hips outward. This exercise not only works your glutes, your front thigh muscle, but it also trains your inner thighs also. The moment you push your knees externally outwards. Same way, 12 repetitions, 3 sets. Our next exercise is squats with a monster's walk. You're going into a squat position, but just get your legs externally outwards and just stretch the other leg outwards too. You're not coming up, but just mimic a monster walk. Let the band get properly stretched. You can perform the same exercise in a controlled manner. Maintain your speed. 12 repetitions, 3 sets. Next exercise to follow is lunge with a single leg Romanian deadlift. You're holding the band, stretch it. If your band is on your left leg, make sure you're using your right hand move. So you'll be doing a reverse lunge, coming all the way straight down. Come straight up, touch your leg on the floor. Again take your right leg backwards, perform a lunge with a straight posture. When you come up, going down for performing Romanian single leg deadlift. Make sure you follow one rhythm. Don't rush for the exercise. Try to balance. Come back. 12 repetitions on each leg for 3 sets.
Go.
Our next exercise is called hip bridge. Keep the band exactly slightly over your knees. Lie down on your back. Keep your hands aside on your body, Keep your toes very straight, shoulder width apart. Now I want you to extend your hips, but make sure you're stretching the band sideways. Control. Contract your gluteal muscle or contract your butts. We'll be doing 12 repetitions for 3 sets again. Now the advanced version of hip bridge exercise is everything remains the same. You're lifting your hips, but now you're pushing your knees totally away from your body. Come down. Lift your hip, hold your hip isometrically over here till the time you don't complete your 2 repetitions for knee external rotation. Come down. Well, repetitions, 3 sets. As we have completed our lower body exercises with the mini loop bands, and I'm sure you people must have enjoyed. If you want me to cover up some more exercises with any equipments of your choice, you can just like, share and comment on my YouTube channel, and I'll be more than happy to get back to you with your favorite exercises in my upcoming videos. This is Lokesh Patni signing off for today. Stay home, stay fit and stay safe.